In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut videos on OBS Studio. If you want clean, polished recordings without sending everything to a video editor afterward, these built-in tools will help you remove mistakes, dead air, and unwanted bits while you record. Start by opening OBS Studio. Make sure your scenes and sources are ready the way you normally capture content. We'll focus on tools that let you cut in the moment so the final file already looks edited. Head into settings, then open the hotkeys section. Hotkeys are crucial because they let you control cuts without clicking around on screen. Pick keys you won't hit by accident and avoid ones used by your game or other apps. Set a hotkey for pause and another for unpause. When you're recording, tapping pause temporarily stops OBS from writing to the file. When you unpause, recording resumes in the same file, but the pause portion is skipped. In practice, that's a live cut. Use it when you cough, fumble a line, or need a quick reset. Keep an eye on OBS's status bar so you don't forget you're paused, and give yourself a 1-second lead in after you unpause so your speech and visuals don't start mid-sentence. Next, go to the output section and enable replay buffer. This feature constantly holds the last slice of your recording in memory. Set the duration to the amount of time you want to capture, say the last 15 to 60 seconds. Then assign a hotkey to save a replay. Anytime something great happens, hit that hotkey, and OBS instantly writes a short pre-cut clip to your drive. It's perfect for highlights and social snippets without scrubbing through a long file later. While recording, you can also switch between different scenes to effectively cut out things you don't want visible. For example, jump to a clean intermission scene during loading screens, or switch to a no HUD scene when you need to hide clutter. Those switches appear as natural cuts in the final video and keep the flow professional. Finally, to crop a video source in your preview, hold Alt while dragging the red bounding box around that source. This trims the visible edges without permanently changing the file. It's handy for hiding a webcam border or unwanted parts of a capture window. On Mac OS, use the Option key instead of Alt. Put these together: pause and unpause for live cuts, replay buffer for quick highlights, smart scene switches to hide transitions, and Alt drag to crop sources, and you'll finish your recording with far less editing needed afterward.